Hello, my name is Alessandro De La Torre, and you're watching Lesson 14-2, Transversals and Parallel Lines. Let's start off with some vocabulary. Supplementary angles is our first vocabulary word. They're either of two angles whose sum equals 180 degrees. Our second word is complementary angles. They're either of two angles whose sum equals 90 degrees. A transversal is a line that intersects two coplanar lines at two different points. Vertical angles are each of the pairs of opposite angles made by two intersecting lines. Same-side interior angles are angles that lie on the same side of the transversal and between the intersected lines. Alternate interior angles are non-adjacent angles that lie on the opposite sides of the transversal between two intersected lines. That's all of our vocabulary for right now. Now I'm going to solve all these problems with my magical chalkboard. Ta-da! It magically appeared there. Regarding what we know about corresponding angles, we can assume from our graph right here that 1 and 5 indeed are corresponding angles. Let's try to find another one. Oh, 3 and 7 are also corresponding angles. 8 and 4 are also corresponding angles, and 2 and 6 are also corresponding angles. As you can see, there are many examples of corresponding angles in this graph. There are also many same-side interior angles as well in this graph. We have two examples in this graph. Here are two examples. There is angle 4 and angle 5, which are same-side interior angles, as well as angle 3 and angle 6. There are also alternate interior angles found in this graph. For example, angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Angle 4 and angle 6 are also alternate interior angles. As you can see here, there are many angles in this graph. Unfortunately though, there are no vertical angles in this graph, because a vertical angle must be 90 degrees or a straight L shape. Unfortunately, there are none. Looking at the picture right next to me, we must recall that parallel lines lie in the same place and never intersect. In the figure, line L is parallel to line M, written L, two parallel lines, M. The arrows on the lines indicate that they are parallel. Before we continue, we must be aware of some theorems and postulates, so we can continue and answer these next questions. Corresponding angles theorem states that if two angles are cut by a transversal, then the pairs of corresponding angles have the same measure. Now that we know the corresponding angles theorem, let's try to solve the problem. If it is given that both horizontal lines are parallel, what would angles 4 and angle 6 form a pair of? It is alternate interior angles. Great, I was right. Let's go on to the next one. The alternate interior angles theorem states that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the pairs of alternate interior angles have the same measure. Now let's listen to this question. If it is given that both horizontal lines are parallel, would angle 5 and angle 4 equal to 180 degrees? Yes, they would work due to the fact that they're same-side interior angles. Just so you know. For example, 6 and 3 will also work, the same as 4 and 5. These nicely. Great, now let's go on to the final question. The same-side interior angles postulate states that if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then the pairs of same-side interior angles are supplementary. So let's say that angle 4 here is 70 degrees. What would angle 5 be? Well, from what we previously know, angle 5 would be 180 degrees minus angle 4, which is 70 degrees, and that would result in 110 degrees. So angle 5 would be 110 degrees. Now, I'll let you have some time to work by yourself. You can pause the video at any time you want if you'd like to answer these questions. You can answer which corresponding angle is presented, which same-side interior angle is presented, which alternate interior angle is presented, and which vertical angle is presented. It's all up to you. If there isn't any, just write NA. All up to you. Now remember to have a fantastic day, and this has been Alessandro De La Torre teaching you 14-2, Transversals and Parallel Lines. All copyright information is down below, so please don't sue me.